How do you turn hatred into a weapon for greatness? If you crave victory, the formula is simple. You need an adversary, someone or something that either ignites a fire within or utterly breaks you. But why lean into conflict? Because without a rival, there's no genuine test of your strength. It's resistance that pulls you out of mediocrity, that corners you and demands you push past what you thought were your limits. It's only in that pressure cooker that your real potential begins to emerge. So, what lights the fuse on ambition? Think back to the last moment you felt truly alive. Not the warm comfort of a cup of tea and a soft blanket, but when jealousy hit, when your blood boiled with the desire to prove them wrong. That villainous resolve, that internal scream of revenge, the fire behind your eyes, that's your fuel. That sweat-soaked drive, that vow you made to yourself. I'll win, even if it kills me. This isn't just a fight. It's a trial, a mirror that reflects your true nature. And it's not optional, it's critical. You don't crave ease. What you really want is that 3 a.m. mantra echoing through your skull. I will not lose. Hatred isn't here to destroy you. It's your sharpest blade. Your enemy is the embodiment of everything you're not. While you waste time scrolling, it grins and whispers, "Thanks for making it easier. I need people like you to beat." That sting in your gut? That's the hatred you need. Untamed, raw, and brutally honest. It should terrify you and simultaneously represent the summit you haven't climbed yet. Now, imagine that enemy. More focused, more precise, more dangerous. A version of you so refined it makes the current you look like a bloated before photo. That enemy doesn't need an alarm to rise. While you're mulling over waking up at 8, it's already 2 hours deep into training, soaked in sweat, hammering its body into something lethal. It's not doing this for glory. It's doing it for the future you keep fantasizing about. So start flipping the script. Every time you make a weak choice, picture your enemy grinning, adding another tally to their scorecard. That anger? Use it. That's the key. While you're questioning whether to run through the rain, it's already out there, feet splashing across concrete, eyes laser-focused, planning its next win. This isn't a mind game. These people are real. They're outpacing you, claiming the rewards you were too timid to pursue. Why go this hard? Because every time you defeat that weaker version of yourself, you become someone who doesn't even remember how to lose. And as you grow, so does your enemy, always just out of reach, taunting you to catch up. Harness that hatred. Channel it. If the idea of losing to that enemy burns you up, then you're finally ready. Because one real enemy is worth more than 1,000 fake friends. Now go. Build that enemy, and then destroy them.